If you need a healthy dinner idea that hits your macros, you're in the right place. This one-pot Mexican-inspired dish is loaded with protein and massive flavor. It's the perfect easy meal prep or weeknight dinner. It's savory, satisfying, and made in just one pot. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's chop a cup of red onion to build that flavor base. Toss those onions into the pot with a splash of oil. We're going to saute them over medium-high heat for about 4 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. Next, add in 500 grams of lean ground beef. Use a spatula to break it apart as it browns, stirring it occasionally until it's fully cooked through and no longer pink. Now we're going in with a quarter teaspoon of salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. Finally chop 3 cloves of garlic. Toss them in and stir for about a minute until your kitchen smells amazing. To add some moisture and antioxidants, pour in 400 grams of diced tomatoes. Stir those in with the beef and garlic to let those flavors start to melt together. Time for the grains. Toss in 2 cups of rinsed long grain rice. Stir this for a minute to get every grain coated in that delicious beef and tomato base. Slice 2 jalapenos. Depending on your spice tolerance, you can remove the seeds to keep the heat low or leave them in. Pour in 1.5 cups of chicken stock, which helps the rice to cook through and to add more flavor. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce for umami. To give this dish its warm, earthy aroma, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of dried cumin. Reduce the heat to low and cover. Simmer for 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked. Toss in 500 grams of canned black beans. It's an easy way to pack an extra fiber and protein, making this a truly balanced, high macro meal. Then, add a little more salt and pepper if necessary to suit your taste. Next, grab 2 or 3 stalks of green onions and give them a quick chop. These add a mild crunch and a bright pop of flavor. Finally, top it off with a handful of fresh cilantro leaves. This brings all the savory, spicy flavors together perfectly. Optionally, you can add in half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And there you have it. A one-pot Mexican-inspired meal that's absolutely packed with high protein and perfect macros to keep you fueled. It's bold, flavorful, and exactly what you need to get you going. Give it a try and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed this one-pot Mexican dish, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a meal. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.